Hello and welcome, Greg here from Crewe SEAT, incredibly proud to be able to offer you this amazing looking and incredibly versatile SEAT Alhambra 7-seater MPV. Available here in the range-topping Xcellence trim, powered by a 2-litre TDI engine of 184 PS and finished in Indium grey. Standout features will include automatic headlights with daytime running lights, as well as the silver 5-spoke alloys which contrast against the colour. Best of all, signature-shaped LED taillights will stand out when travelling at night, and this particular model boasts the fact of a full panoramic sunroof with a tilt and sliding option. Powered sliding side doors will unlock an absolutely cavernous load area with 3 independent seats in the front, as well as a further 2 that are incredibly comfortable for adults as well. The independent seats also feature their own 3 ISOFIX charge anchor points on offer, and that panel really illuminates the whole cabin. Best of all, they even get their own air conditioning, climate control and picnic tables with cup holders. In the rear, for extra convenience, power-operated tailgate will reveal loads of suitcase storage and weekly shopping even with all the seats up, and you can see for yourself there's also a parcel shelf, shopping hooks, and this model even comes with optionally upgraded folding electric tow bar. In the front, decorative door and dash inserts will grace the cabin, with front seats that offer additional side lumbar support for added comfort. Driver's seat is also electrically adjustable with memory and electric lumbar support, whilst there is also the function of a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, capable of controlling most functions with cruise control and speed limiter function, as well as paddle shifts. In the center, the satellite navigation system is a joy to use and features physical shortcuts as well. It will unlock the likes of AM, FM and DAB digital radio with additional media source inputs. Pairing your phone is also incredibly easy, and the car even benefits from voice control functionality and built-in sat-nav. Best of all, factory-fitted Apple CarPlay and Android Auto FullLink system is also available, allowing you to use the most of your device. Live traffic updates will ensure you never ever get lost, and also sound system is fully adjustable and can be optimized to individual taste and needs, which will appeal to the music fans amongst you. To help you park, you'll be pleased to know there are front and rear audible and visual sensors with a full color rear parking camera, which is ideal when trying to hitch the tow bar. 2-zone climate control system is also on offer and features winter pack heated front seat technology for the driver and front passenger. Additional cubbyhole storage is available throughout the vehicle with an auto-dimming rearview mirror and easy controls to operate the electric sunroof.